Nestle provides you with tastier and healthier everyday choices to enhance your quality of life. Nestle, good food, good life.
Former MTV VJ, club DJ and co-host of a popular show on 5FM, Fix is young, vivacious and the prime example of a modern woman who enjoys a healthy and active lifestyle.
I am a health-conscious person. I think more from a fitness, sporty kind of perspective and not so much a food perspective. I literally gym because I want to eat what I want to eat. I love food. My family's not health conscious. Maybe some, okay, I'm not hating on all of them. But some of them are, some of them aren't. I know we have quite high cholesterol in our family, and there's only one diabetic person in the family that I know of. So from any hereditary problems or even from an eating plan perspective, from what I know of my family, I definitely think I can overcome it. I live my own life. I live very much an individual's life. I've always been kind of the black sheep in the family, as is.
A recent innovation in healthcare is the DNA diet, which is a customized healthy lifestyle plan tailored to your genetic code. Fix was keen to have her DNA analyzed.
I love the concept of this personalized diet. It's always difficult because I'm not a big diet person, but I'm starting to feel that the older I get, the tougher it's becoming. For instance, having a lot of red wine in the evenings. I can't have a bottle, I can only have a glass now. Eating meat at night or eating too late really affects me. I can't sleep properly. So I need something that is going to help the stomach problems. I've been told that eating healthy is boring eating. So it'll be really interesting to see what game plan you have in store for me.
After a quick cheek swab, Fix's DNA was extracted and analyzed by DNAlysis, who create their DNA diet plans. Danny Meyersfeld explains the nature of the product.
DNA Diet is a genetic test that allows medical practitioners to personalize the diet and nutrition advice that they're giving to their patients. With the Human Genome Project and the research that's happened subsequent to the findings of the Human Genome Project, a huge amount of information has become available to tell us how, as individuals, we have different requirements for diet or for weight loss depending on different versions of the genes that we carry. So the DNA Diet is an analysis of some very well established genetic markers that can guide the personalization of advice given by dietitians.
It might sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but the DNA diet is growing quickly in popularity. There are a few reasons for its appeal in the market. People are rather tired of being treated as a herd where this one-size-fits-all approach is adopted by the healthcare practitioners and by healthcare in general. We are all individuals, we respond differently, we have differing requirements for diet, for exercise, for optimal nutrition to achieve health. Getting a personalized diet plan improves compliance with the plan, knowing that plan is being developed specifically for you. And in the science, that we've seen that people have good results when the plan is given based on the genetics. Sitting down and looking at the report that has your own genetic information, giving you advice, telling you stuff that you otherwise wouldn't have had access to, is a far more powerful motivator to change behavior than knowing that you have a family history or knowing that you've battled with weight in the past. After a few weeks of lab analysis, Fix is able to return to DNAlysis for a customized plan. Dietitian Helen de Beer explains the report in terms of diet and exercise.
What we look at are certain areas that are related to weight management. You came out as being a low carbohydrate diet, would be most effective, and moderate intensity exercise. So that comes out to 15 weight hours per week. What it's also showing is that saturated fat intake is also a bit of a problem with this gene over here.
Very interesting just kind of finding out more about yourself, because you always have some idea that, okay, I'm exercising enough, that means like I've cut out that breakfast that I had, or I cut out that burger that I had for supper. I'm going to go for a run in the morning. That's how I've always perceived it. But it seems like I need to handle both food and exercise. When I see the results, it makes sense. It's the cutting out of food, which is always the hardest part.
In a country that's facing huge health risks as a result of growing obesity, perhaps the way forward is using our genetic information to help us become and stay healthy.
obesity is out of control, and the standard weight loss interventions that have been practiced for the last 20 years are clearly not working. Genetics, they believe, attribute 60 to 70% of your ability to lose weight or risk for obesity. So by leaving out the genetics, you're leaving out a massive body of information. Simply incorporating that information and giving that knowledge to both the practitioner and the patient will make a significant difference to their ability to manage their weight.
Nestle provides you with tastier and healthier everyday choices to enhance your quality of life. Nestle, good food, good life.